Hey everybody, this is Tyler Hill at MarineMax here in Pompano Beach, Florida. Your local Cruisers Yachts dealer here in South Florida. This is a beautiful new 2024 Cruisers Yachts 38 GLS Outboard in the South Beach edition. This one's special. It's got the new V10 400s from Mercury on it. Look at the beautiful lines on this. What a perfect blend of cabin, of cockpit space, of performance. Got a little bit of color, but not too much color with that light gray. Look at these gorgeous V10 400s. Push the boat in the low to mid 50s, no problem. Underwater lights. Look at the size of the props they put on these V10s. All that torque allows you to turn a much bigger wheel. Concealed swim ladder. This does have a fold down deck on the starboard side that goes down when you're at anchor electrically. Call them patios or wings. You can see that whole section goes down there just to open up the cockpit. All your shore power cords can go back here. Really nice aft facing lounge. We have sea deck throughout. Lots of room even to walk around with the outboards. Look at this expansive cockpit. Just lends itself to entertaining. We're still putting this one together, but that's access to your radar, your electronics. This does have the sure shade up here on the hardtop. You do have an opening sunroof. Barbecue grill here, refrigerator, more storage, nice countertop space. You can actually take the TV out of the cabin and put it up here as well. On the starboard side here, we have another refrigerator, double helm seat, joystick piloting, 12-inch Simrads, cockpit air conditioning up here. All the right equipment on this one. This is a exclusive by Cruisers. They giving a couple bar stools here, a nice little entertaining area. Walking up to the bow, amazing bow seating with a beautiful table you can put out when you want to use it. Great access to your windlass. I see this one has the stanchions for the bow sunshade as well. Foot controls for the windlass. The beautiful stitching on this 38 GLS logo built in there. Take a quick look at the cabin. It does have a diesel generator on it, which will power everything and more. Gorgeous wood steps going down, with TV down here, another refrigerator, microwave. You have a dinette that can convert to a V-berth. Your MDP electronics panels behind this backrest. A nice full double queen bed back here in the mid cabin. And then look at your beautiful head. Stand-up shower, nice storage, beautiful wood cabinetry. Again, this is Tyler Hill, MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida. This is a 2024 Cruisers Yachts 38 GLS South Beach Edition with the triple V10 400s on it. It is available. Give us a call today, 954-783-9555. Thanks for watching.